Good afternoon, students. We'll continue remaining problems functions and some theorems I'll explain. That is in example 18, but like we treated as a theorem, that is important. That is example 18 and like a theorem. If F maps A to B and G maps B to C are one functions, then G set F maps A to C is also 1 is also 1 that is the theorem that will prove. Okay, what is given? F maps A to B and G maps B to C are 1 then G set F maps A to C also 1 right? Given F maps A to B is 1 what is 1 function definition? X1 comma x2 belongs to A, then f of x1 is equal to, if f of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies that x1 is equal to x2. This is one function definition, right? Okay, given f maps A to B and g maps B to C are the one function, show that this set f is 1. That's why we take x1 comma x2 belongs to A. Therefore, g circle of x1, g circle of x2, take g circle of f of x1 is equal to g circle of x2, then this can be written as g of f of x1 is equal to g of f of x2 implies that, next step implies that f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Why? F of x1 is equal to f of x2. Actually, f of x1 is equal to f of x2 plus x1 is equal to x2. Why? F is 1. Here also, if you treated as this is x1, this is x2. G of x1 is equal to g of x2. Then implies that f of x1 is equal to f of x2. So this total is considered as x1. Y means already given g is 1 since g is 1 function, right? Next implies x1 is equal to x2. Y is already given that f is 1. Since here f is 1. Understand? Therefore, finally, g circle f. So what you take? G circle f x1 is equal to g circle f x2. Finally, we show x1 is equal to x2. Therefore, g circle function, composite function, g circle f maps A to C is also 1, right? So here also, given f maps A to B, G maps B to C are 1, then we show that g circle f maps A to C is also 1. So further, given function right, that also right, but by the definition, x1 comma x2 belongs to A. F of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies that x1 is equal to x2 means different elements have different images. Different elements have different images. That is the one function. Okay, let us take g circle of x1 is equal to g circle of x2 implies that g of f of x1 is equal to g of f of x2. In place of circle take brackets, right? That implies f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Why? Since means g is 1 implies that x1 is equal to x2 since given f is 1. Finally, this is also 1. Okay, complete. Wait, just Next, this example 19, like that also let us theorem 2. If the functions f maps a to b and g maps b to c are onto means what is one injective function, another name onto, another name is surjective function onto, then G circle of maps A to C is also onto, will show that. Then G circle of maps A to C is also onto. Okay, this is A, B, C, under F, under G, let it be take element X, Y, subject. This is G circle of maps A to C. What is onto function definition? Suppose consider these two sets, domain and codomain under here. Every element of codomain element has at least one element, exist with one element. Means all elements are the images of the domain elements. Okay, that is the onto function. Right. X1 comma x2 belongs to A, otherwise we'll take X and some Y elements B, some type of Z elements in C. For some or for not for all. For each element Z belongs to C, there exists the element, means what is the considered from that Y is considered as a pre-image. Y is the element. Y is pre-image of Z under G, under the function G, such that how G of Y is equal to Z. G of Y is equal to Z. So that is for the function G, the domain and the codomain C. Right. Next, for the function F, same like that. For each element Y belongs to B, there exists a same element, there exists an element X belongs to, where this one? X belongs to A such that f of x is equal to y. So this is the onto function of F, onto function of G. What will show that G circle F is also onto. G circle F is also onto. Therefore, we take G circle of x is equal to, G circle of f is equal to G of f of x. F of x, what is f of x? F of x is equal to y. And G of y value, G of y value is equal to f. So we showed G circle f of x take finally show that is equal to z. Therefore, G circle f maps A to C is onto function, right? Okay, given, what is the given function? If the functions f maps A to B and G maps B to C are onto, then G circle f maps A to C is also onto function. Okay, by the diagram this one. and what is the definition of onto, right? For each element of Z belongs to C, there exists an element means Y is the preimage of Z, or like this you can take no problem, under G, under the function G, such that G of Y is equal to Z. And what about F function onto definition? For each element Y belongs to B, there exists an element X belongs to A, such that F of X is equal to Y. Right. Therefore, we will prove G set left is also onto. That is, G set left of X is equal to G of F of X, and G of F of X value is equal to Y. G of Y is equal to Z. Therefore, G set left of X is equal to Z. So, therefore, G of F maps A to C is also onto. This is the second. Okay. To take one example here. See this one. Let F maps 1, 2, 3 to ABC be 1, 1 and 1, 1 and onto function. Onto function given by F of 1 is equal to A, F of 2 is equal to B, and F of 3 is equal to C, and F of 3 is equal to C. Show that there exists a function. There exists a function G maps ABC to 1, 2, 3 such that G circle F is equal to Ix and F circle G is equal to Iy, where X is equal to 1, 2, 3 and Y is equal to ABC. Okay, F maps 1, 2, 3 ABC. That one. So take this function, consider G maps ABC to 1, 2, 3 as G of A is equal to 1, G of B is equal to 2, G of C is equal to 3. Take like that. G circle of 1, G of F of 1. What is the answer? G of F of 1. F of 1 value A. So G of A. So that is G of A value 1. So G of F of 1 is equal to 1. So identity function, I of X is equal to X only. So like that, we'll take let the setting is X is equal to 1, 2, 3 ABC. Here consider that is X to Y, Y to X, like this. F maps X to Y, G maps Y to X. Consider. So finally what we get? The elements. First to consider the elements 1, the element is belongs to set X. So remaining problems, f of remaining elements, g of f of 2 value, b, g of b will consider b value 2, g of f of 2 is equal to get 2. Next g of f of 3, g of f of 3, this is equal to f of 3 value. What is f of 3 value? C. G of c value, consider that value is equal to 3. So finally, G circle F maps x to x. X to x means identity function. That is equal to, this is nothing but identity function. Such that we show that there exists a function such that G circle F is equal to ix and F circle G is equal to iy, where x is equal to that. Similarly, that also F circle G is equal to iy. So, what to understand from the above example, F maps x to y. Okay, clearly that is 1 1 and onto. Let an arbitrary function 1 1 and onto. Clearly that is identity function, such that when there exists one more function, g such that y to x, an arbitrary function f maps, what to understand from this example, is 1 1 onto. Even converse also true. How converse also true means there exists a function g maps y to x. There exists a function g maps y to x. G maps y to x is there. Then we show that g circle is equal to ix and f circle g is equal to identity function. Okay, right. From this, we learn one definition: invertible function. Invertible function. Okay, a function f maps x to y. A function f maps x to y is said to be invertible function. Then there is said to be invertible function. Well, there exists another function g maps y to x. How can you take it? How they exist? Such that like this, such that g circle f is equal to ix. Already proved in example. G circle f is equal to ix and f circle g is equal to iy. Then f is called invertible function. Then f is invertible function. Therefore, f inverse exists. Then f inverse exists. That implies g is equal to f inverse. So, this is the definition of the invertible function. F maps x to y is said to be invertible function. There exists another function like g maps y to x such that g circle f is equal to ix and f circle g is equal to iy. Then f inverse exists, that is equal to g is equal to f inverse. So, this is the definition of the invertible function. Use this definition to solve some problems and some theorems also do, right? So, what you learn from this invertible function means one more function we need, and this is f is equal to ix, f circle is equal to iy. G is equal to F inverse. Before, in that example, F is 1 1 and 2. 1 1 and 2. So from this, what will have? F is invertible implies F is 1 1 and 2. Means what? 1 1 and 2 means bijection. Conversely, what is converse? Conversely, when F is 1 1 and 2 means that implies F is bijection, then only possible F inverse. Otherwise, not possible F inverse. So F is, first of all, F is 1 1 and 2, then F is invertible. Okay, understand, students? So see one example. Let S is equal to 1 2 3. Determine whether the function f maps S to S. Determine the function f maps S to S defined below. Find the f inverse if it exists. Okay, first bit. F is equal to 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3. Right. S to S. 1 2 3 as well. 1 2 3 as well. 1 1 under the function of S to S 2 2 3 3. Right? Okay. 1 1 2 2 3 3. It is 1 1 or not? Okay. It is 1 1. And on 2. Therefore, F is bijection. F is bijection means F inverse exists. They ask find F inverse if it exists. So F inverse exists. Why means 1 1 and to satisfy. Okay, it is bijection. Now what is F inverse? F inverse is equal to 1 1. The elements right in reverse. 1 2 2 3 3 only. So F inverse also same F. We take second a bit. F is equal to 1 2 2 1 3 1. Right? S set S under F 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 for 2 1 for 3 1. So first of all, it is function. Okay, it is a function. Every element of first set has the image, unique image, only one image. Right? For 2 and 3 same image. For 2 and 3 same image, it is not 1 1. It is not 1 1. And the second codomain element 3 has no pre-image. Has no pre-image. Therefore, it is not onto also. Not onto also. Therefore, F inverse does not exist. F inverse does not exist. Right? Third relation. F is equal to 1 3 3 2 2 1. 1 2 3. Yes 1 2 3 under the function F for 1 1 sorry 1 3 for 1 3 for 3 2 for 2 1. Okay, different elements, different images. Different elements have different images, and in codomain set all have pre-images. All elements exist to at least one element of domain element. Therefore, it is onto function. F is 1 1 and onto. Therefore, F is called bisective function. F is bisective. F inverse exists. F inverse exists. Therefore, what is F inverse? F inverse is equal to 1 3 F. F inverse 3 1. 2 3 and 1 2 and 1 2. So this is the F inverse. When it is possible, F is both 1 1 and 2, then only possible. Means F is bisective. Then F inverse exists. Right. One more theorem. Like theorem. Okay, one more is there, and one more and 2 is there. Suppose F maps A to B and G maps B to C are bisective functions, then G set F maps A to C also bisective. How can we show this one? Theorem 1 and theorem 2 means example 8 and example 19. Both you write. First case 1, F is 1 1 and G is 1. Question and answer you will write. F maps A to B and G maps B to C are 1 1. Then G set F is 1 1. Okay, complete. Second case 2. Case 1, first theorem. Suppose this is like theorem 3. First theorem, right. Case 2, theorem 2. Theorem 1, theorem 2, right. So final conclusion. What is conclusion? From case 1 and case 2, G set F, case 1 what? G set F is 1 1, and from case 2, G set F is R2. Here, like that, from case 1 and case 2, G circle F maps A to C is also bisective. Clear? First is F maps A to B and G maps B to C are bisective. Okay, what is bisective? F is 1 1 and R2. From case 1, okay, G set F is 1 1, and from case 2, G set F is R2. So from that case 1 and case 2, G set F is A to C is also like that. Supposedly in exam, you give like this question. Okay, students. Okay, next we'll explain. Start the exercise 1.3 in next class. Okay, we'll continue the next 1.3 exercise in next class. Thank you.